Today we are looking at the Hoover DXA49W3 Washing Machine in white. Visit the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information. Handle your family's demanding laundry chores with the Hoover DXA49W3 washing machine and its 9 kilograms capacity capabilities. Time and energy efficiency. A range of great programs allows their DXA49W3 to take care of any laundry situation you throw at it, and does so efficiently. It's rated A+ for energy efficiency, helping you save on your household bills and reducing your carbon footprint. The intelligent KG mode weighs each load at the start of the cycle and adjusts water, time and energy so you only use what you need and not a drop more. Specialized wash programs. The Hoover DXA49W3 washing machine will handle your laundry, no matter what you need cleaning. With a choice of 12 programs, you'll be able to find one perfectly suited for heavily soiled loads and half loads that just need a rinse. Choose from the daily 59-minute or the mixed cycle for everyday washing. For more specialized washes, choose the wool and silk or lingerie to be gentle to your delicate garments. The maximum spin speed of 1,400 revolutions per minute. It reduces drying times. Easy everyday. A large LED display allows you to see how much time is left on your chosen cycle so you can fit it in with your other chores. Turn the simple dial control to select the settings you want and let their DXA49W3 washing machine do the hard work for you. The auto clean function keeps your machine clean and well maintained, needing no additional attention at all. With an intelligent wash system that constantly monitors and adjusts the washing process, the Hoover DXA49W3 washing machine offers outstanding results whilst maintaining an energy-efficient rating. Click on the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information and to get the cheapest price for this appliance.